Good evening, everyone. My name is Malik Mohammad Zaid, and today I am here to present a topic in front of you that is reflection of light. So, let us begin. So, what is light? Light, it is a form of energy that enables us to see objects around us. So, basically, लाइट को हम इस तरह से मान सकते हैं कि लाइट की मदद से हम आसपास की चीज़ों को, हमारे आसपास की जो चीज़ें होती है जिसकी मदद से हम देख पाते हैं, उसी को हम लाइट कहते हैं. So, what is SI unit? The SI unit of light is meter per second, and the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So, now we move on to reflection. So, reflection of light. Reflection of light. So first of all, to know this, to carefully know this subtopic, we need to know what is reflection. What do we mean by reflection? So reflection, it is the bouncing. It is the bouncing back. It is the bouncing back. It is the bouncing back of a ray. Of a ray when it strikes an object. So reflection, it is the bouncing back of a ray when it strikes an object. So basically, when a ray comes and it strikes an object, it reflects back, and the phenomenon in which the ray reflects back is known as reflection. So now we can easily know what do we mean by reflection of light. So reflection of light, when a light ray strikes an object or plane mirror, it bounces back, is known as the reflection of light. So this is the definition. When a light ray strikes an plane mirror, so basically now we will know by the diagram. So this is a plane mirror. This is a light ray coming and it strikes an object at this point. So the bouncing back, so this is the bouncing back. When a light ray strikes an object, it bounces back, is known as the reflection of light. So to study reflection, we need to know three things. This ray that comes and strikes the plane mirror is known as incident ray. And the ray that bounces back is known as reflected ray. These are the two rays. This is the ray that strikes an plane mirror, and this is the ray that bounces back. So we draw an imaginary line surface perpendicular to the surface, and we name it as normal. So the point at which this ray, reflected ray and incident ray meets, is known as angle, point of reflection, point of incidence is known as point of incidence. So this is the diagram of reflection of light. Now we move on to our next topic, that is laws of reflection. So laws of reflection. What is the first law? The first law says that angle of incidence, angle I, is always equal to angle of reflection. So I will draw the diagram here. This is the reflected ray. This is the normal. So this is the This is the incident ray. Incident ray. This is the reflected ray. And this is the normal. So the angle between incident ray and normal is known as angle of incidence, and the angle between reflected ray and normal ray is known as angle of reflection. So the first law states that angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. So if angle of incidence is 30 degree, angle of reflection will also be 30 degree. This is the first law. The second law, incident ray normal and reflected ray all lie on the same surface. All lie on the same surface. So basically, what the second law states that it is the incident ray, this ray, and the reflected ray and this normal, they all lie on the same surface. The surface is the plane mirror, and the second law states they all lie on the same surface. So I hope you liked my so I hope that you understand well. Thank you and have a good day.